Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a haul, and it's one of the first hauls in a very long time, and I do plan on doing more. If you're new to my channel, you have probably just been seeing a bunch of eyelash type of videos, which you will be seeing more of, so this kind of has the best of both worlds if you're into watching makeup, hauls, all that kind of things. All of those kind of. So I wanted to just have a little fun, and I ordered some eyelashes off of shopmissy.com. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. I'm pretty sure. I needed some eyelashes, and I forgot how much I love, or I used to love, Shop Missy, but I'm pretty sure it's become a thing. Like, everybody's so into it. Let me know what your favorite lashes are from this company so that I can go choose and like buy them. The main thing, guys, is that these eyelashes are $1. Most of them are $1. I did see that the prices went up a little. Like, I see some for like $1.55, which isn't too bad. But yeah, usually myself, I'm an Ardell girl, and I like to wear Ardell or pretty much any drugstore eyelash, because come on, let's be real, at the end of the day, we take them off, we leave them around, and they scare the crap out of people. So that's how life is. I don't know where I left off because a friend stopped by, but anyway, so we're gonna be doing the Shop Missy haul, and I haven't done one of these in a very long time. And like I was saying about Ardell lashes, I like to just buy those, but like, you can't get them cheaper than like $5, $6, $7, $8 nowadays. So these are way better. $1. I'm just gonna show you what I got. Let's get into it. And I'm quick little thing. I did open this already. I haven't seen everything, but I grabbed one pair of eyelashes, and this is the pair that I took out. It comes in different packaging now, so everything's new. This is new to me. Anyway, they're these. They are the Amelia. Speak, Velma. So these are the Amelia, and I freaking love them. Right now I kind of have them like sloppily put on. But oh my god, they have like double layers, and they're just gorgeous, and I'm gonna buy it at Milden. I'm pretty sure these are $1. I will, let's check. Amelia, oh, they're like names. So these were, they don't show. It doesn't show. The Amelia, those are the ones that I'm wearing now. I'm not gonna get too close because I don't look that great. Okay, so now it comes in a little tissue paper that I like completely messed up already, and it comes really packaged in here. And I think I got like 3 of the Alexis. Hopefully those are good. I should have got the Amelia. I only got one of these. 1, 2, 3, 15 pairs of lashes, $1. You cannot beat that. So I'm just gonna dig right in. These are the Isabella. These looked really cool, and oh my god, they have like 3 layers. So look, there you can see these are the Isabella. They look really cool. If you see when I tilt it, you can see the double layers, like a double or triple layer up in there. I was sitting in front of the steamer doing eyelashes, so forgive me. But yeah, those are the Isabella, and I really like these. I think I'm gonna like these. I just don't like that the top layer is like very one length, so hopefully These next ones are premium lashes. Oh my god. These look so freaking nice. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that, but look at, these are all layered eyelashes, and I freaking they're like stacked, you know, basically stacked. And the band is kind of thick, but it's not like as thick for like stacked lashes. I like the packaging. AOA Studio. Yeah, so this is what they look like. Oh my god, these look beautiful. I can't wait to try these as well. Yeah, so this is what they look like. Oh my god, these look beautiful. I can't wait to try these as well. A premium. These are the 3D Fox Mink. So 3D Fox Mink, and okay, so these are Tori. So if you are, these I think are very promising. I would get Tori, and I will link all of them down below. Hopefully, I'm gonna try it. But these are amazing. Look at these. Oh. And I got 2 of those, so yes, girl, I think 1602. Yeah, that's the other guy. I got the Alexis. Sounds like some iPhone. So these are Alexis. That is how they look like. And usually these remind me of the Ardell wispies, and I just kind of grew fake looking. I mean, these are eyelashes, they are going to be fake, but they look a little not great, you know? Who knows? I'm not going to judge until I put them on and wear them. We have the number 83. Oh my god, these are old school Cara Beauty, and these are so sad looking. Good. Look at these. Just because I do lash extensions now, I think they're just pretty sad. I'm not trying to judge hard, but look at that. There's too many gaps. If you want something like playful, if you're doing like a Halloween look or something that you need, if you do have a lot of natural lashes, I think these would look good, so I'm not gonna judge them. But I think these used to be like old favorites of mine way back in the day. Do you guys remember like the number Cherry 83? Next, I got the number S4, and I only got 1 of these. These look okay. They're more like a spiky type of look. So yeah, again, maybe more costumey. Like I wouldn't really wear these like on a daily basis, but all right. And then next I got another Cara number 5. These are really long. So yeah, they look really long. Again, probably a costume look. I cannot see myself rushing to these, you know? Like I wish I would have gotten all of them, the ones that I'm wearing now. Next, we got the number 1609. This is the AOA 1609, and this is Jackie, and these are 3D Fox mink. So that's what they look like. These look really pretty, like some beautiful lashes. They could be a little fuller, but I mean, guys, come on, $1.55, whatever they were, they look really pretty. Really huge thick band though. So next, another Alexis. Like I would get the ones that I don't like. I got 3 of these. Oh my god, that's what I get for talking shit. I got 3 of the Alexis. Comment down below and we'll do a giveaway. And then I got another Cara Beauty. This is the number 43. I'm pretty sure this is like an OG Cara Beauty from Shop Miss A. If you guys shopped with them for a long time, these were like super popular, and they're pretty, they're okay. They're not, again, nothing I would choose, but they're okay. And here is another one. This is Rose, and these are very cheapy looking as well, but I mean, $1. I'm pretty sure these remind me of like the ones that you get at Family Dollar from like LA Colors. Exactly, because I mean, don't get me wrong, I still like these type of eyelashes. And again, when they're only one use and you're used to just ripping them off at the end of the night and throwing them away, I recommend you just go crazy and get yourself some lashes. Right. Okay, so these next ones are called Marilyn. They're like a real pretty, just simple, soft eyelash. I like them. They look cute. They have a really like invisible band. So if you're looking to get something just super natural but really pretty, I would recommend Marilyn for sure. And then last but not least, ooh, I like these. Okay, I'm gonna order, yes, let me, yeah, so these are the last ones. These are called Lula. I wanna say that's how you pronounce that name. Lola, I don't know. Really pretty eyelash. I really think I'm gonna like these a lot. These are really beautiful. So, oh, nice, double layer. And then these also have an invisible band. I can't talk. So these have an invisible band. So I definitely recommend Lula, Isabella. Those look very promising. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my quick haul. Let me know which ones are your favorite if you're somebody that already shops on that website, so that I can go try them out. And we will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.